So hello, what's up guys, how are you doing? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Fiverr gig thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how you can create an astonishing Fiverr gig thumbnail. So if you are new here, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like this video and comment what you like on this video. Thank you. So let's go to today's tutorial. So the first thing I have to do is I have to go to fiverr.com. So fiverr.com. So let's search fiverr.com. So once I go to fiverr.com, then I will search the keyword of the particular gig that I want to create a thumbnail for. So let's say YouTube promotion. So let's say YouTube promotion. So the first thing you have to do is you have to look those people that are in first page of this gig. Take a look at them, take a look at their thumbnail, and get the reason why they are getting money. So with this technique I'm teaching you, if you create a gig thumbnail, within a week or 2 weeks you'll be getting order quickly and you'll be making money on Fiverr. So check out how all these people create their own design. Then once you check out, you gain an idea on how to create your own thumbnail. So let's say this person say YouTube promotion gets USA views. You know, most of the buyers like getting their views from USA. So I think this person has a point. So let's check more other people. So YouTube channel promotion, YouTube channel monetization, organic YouTube promotion, video promotion. So after I've checked all the techniques that all the people use to create our own thumbnail, then I switch on to Canva. So if you are currently new here, I'm using Canva Pro. So if you want to know how I use this Canva Pro, let me know in the comment section so I will create a video about it. So I'm using Canva Pro. So the first thing I have to do is I have to search for it. So the first thing I have to do is search for Fiverr gig thumbnail. So thumbnail for Fiverr gig. Then click on it. Then check out everything that was here. Check out. Let me just choose this one first. So this one is a pro thumbnail, but I can use it for free. So I will just click on customize, then wait a little bit for it to load. Then after I click on customize, so first thing I have to do, I have to change this name to YouTube promotion, because that's the kind of thumbnail I'm creating here. So YouTube promotion, then go back to Fiverr, check out. So as you all see, most people here usually use red background. So some of them use yellow, but red background is the most common background they all use here. So let me go to my own canva.com. I can change this background to red. So let me change this background to red. This text will be white. Like that. So if I don't want to use this design, because I just choose this one randomly, if I don't want to use this one, so I will just put check and then check until I find the one that is suitable for the kind of category of gig I'm creating. So get me now. So let's check out which one is better that it can use. So let's check out this one. This one look good. So after you have choose the one we want to use, you can go to Google, search for YouTube logo, then go to image, click on this one, just choose any one you like. So I'm going to choose this one. I click save the image, save, then go back to where you are designing, click on upload, so drag it from here also, drag and drop. So I'm going to remove all this content, which is, let me change this background to red first. So red background. So make sure you are following all these things. So let's change this text to red to white. So let's remove this one. So let's change this background text to, let's say, green or something, or black. I think, let me check, green, blue. So click on upload, then the YouTube that I downloaded. So I'm going to add this one to it also. So let me move this one a little bit up. So let me move this one a little bit up. Then add the YouTube. Change this one to organic. Then resize it. So that's too much, I think. So organic, YouTube, promotion, and money. So organic, promotion, and monetize. So it's every audience know both. So let's check some contents on those people that have already get order while selling this gig. So 100,000 subscribers, 10k views. So let's say super fast result in an organic use. So they are super fast results. Organic use. So let me resize it. So I think a white text will be better. So let's change this one to white. So super fast. So I think if I give it a background, it will look more amazing. So let me give it a background. So change the color to, let's say, the color to something like this. Then we add one more contents. No service, because most of these people don't need a boat service, so they want organic service. So after writing this, so if you want to know how I get all this idea of how I write this content, simply go to this fiverr.com. Then you see so many people writing content on their thumbnail. Check those that has order and are already selling to customers. Then write most of the content that are on their thumbnail, copy it to your gig, or do it in another dimension, by choosing a different thumbnail on camera. So this one is already finished like this. So how do you see it? So if a buyer see this, once he see this on Fiverr, if you see that I'm promoting and I'm monetizing a gig, so and I do super fast results, really an organic use no bot service. So this is what most of the buyer want. So if you want to create a Fiverr gig thumbnail, make sure you know the wants and needs of the gigs, so that you'll be able to put it in a gig thumbnail of what you are creating. So I'm going to try another service now. So let me try an admin page. So I'm going to try another new service. So let me try and go to Fiverr. Let's say, yeah, Instagram promotion. So let's check out Instagram promotion. So let's check out Instagram promotion. So let's go to canva.com. So let's find a thumbnail that is suitable for that Instagram promotion. So let's check this one out. So let's check this one out. So let me check an idea from this Instagram promotion gig. So this one I organic Instagram growth 400 to give 1K per month. Okay. So I'm going to do this one content. This guy content, I'm going to use it because at least he gets so many others. So also this guy's content. So let's go back to canva.com. So let me try and read it. So Instagram 100% organic growth. So do it like this. Instagram. So I'm trying to move this one upward. This thing is too big, so let me resize this small. So let me take this one to black, I think. Instagram. Or you can do it like we do the YouTube one. So let's start on Instagram logo. So image. And let's check the one that will look attractive. Instagram logo. So let's just choose a random logo. I think I don't find the one with the text. So let's choose this one. Save. Go back to Canva and click from here. Upload the image. So organic Instagram. So Instagram 100% organic growth. So Instagram 100% organic growth. This one is very good. So Instagram organic growth. So with this here, if I have username of an account, so I can put my account username, let's say make Magenta. So that is one of my account. That is my account, Fiverr account name. So Instagram 100% organic growth. Then 400 plus to 1,002 per month. So let's use this guy content so that it won't be like we are copying someone else's idea. So you use 400 to 1k per month. So let's write it. So 400k. Let's try copy this thing. So copy paste. So so 400 to 1k, 400 to 1k per month. So per month. So let's try to resize it. So I would like to add effective disease to this one. So effect with a background color. So let me say red. Then change the text to white. So just make something look good. So just do something good. So this one I can put. So I can put other down to this one. So let me move it so like this. Till then, this logo, if you don't like it, you can remove it. So I'm going to add the Instagram logo to it, so that it will be more likely to be Instagram. So let's design this small. So let's check it out like this. It's not looking good. So let me move this guy backward a little. So let's do this. So how about this now? So let's move this one a bit backward. So if you are creating one technique about gig image, if you are creating a gig image, don't let your gig image move to this edge line, because once you publish it to Fiverr, they won't see this keyword that we are writing on gig thumbnail. So make sure you move it to at least this meter from the edge. Hope sure you get it. So this is all the video for today. So I'm showing you how you can create a professional gig image. So once you create it, then you can start using it on Fiverr. In the week or 2 or 3 weeks, you'll be getting order quickly by using these techniques to create your gig image. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and make sure you comment on what you learned about this video. If you want me to create about video and how I use Canva Pro, let me know in the comment section also. So I'll be creating video on it if I see more people willing to know it. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being able to do it. Thank you.